Krishna. One can love Krishna as the omniscient, omnipotent God, the loving master, the dearest friend, the sweetest child, and the supreme lover. He became down to earth to eradicate all the evil spirits. Good morning, everyone present here. This is Minakshi Chaudhary presenting today's morning assembly on the very special occasion of Janmashtami. Shri Krishna is one of the most powerful incarnation of Vishnu, the Godhead of the Hindu trinity of deities. I would like to share a quote from Bhagavad Gita. Whatever happen for the good. Whatever is happening for the good. Whatever will happen will also happen for the good. Shri Krishna is the embodiment of his own teachings, and the Bhagavad Gita is his greatest message and mission to deliver us the knowledge that we all strive to seek. My dear friends, we are celebrating birthday of Shri Krishna, Guru of all Gurus, divine hero. He was the one who walked his words. The foremost quality that he stands for is his simplicity. He formed relationships or bonds of love with ordinary human beings and solved even the greatest problems and even the greatest war with simplicity. It is divine with no match. He almost did everything and excelled at them. He was indeed the master of all. Shri Krishna took birth to eradicate all the evil spirits, especially King Kansa, the ruler of Mathura. And today, we all are celebrating Krishna Janmashtami, the most important and auspicious festivals for all Hindus, as it's a day when Lord Shri Krishna, the incarnation of Lord Vishnu, was born. And this is Minakshi Chaudhary from class 8, wishing you all a very happy and blessed Janmashtami. Let us perform our solemn duties for our family, friends, and for all people on this earth. Let us start today's morning assembly and pray to Lord Krishna to give us strength to perform our duties well. So join your hands and close your eyes, start prayer. After prayer, Lord Krishna, the God of protection, compassion, tenderness, and love, and is one of the most popular and widely revered among Indian divinities. He gave utmost importance to mind and thoughts throughout the Bhagavad Gita. It is the Gita that stands as Krishna's most important gift to us. Lord Krishna's teachings are suitable for everyone, and I would like to invite Trapti from class 8 for the quote from Bhagavad Gita. Good morning to all of you. My name is Trapti. Thought of the day is, you have the right to work, but never to the fruit of work. And the meaning is, you have the right to work but never to fruit of the work is the wisest message the Bhagavad Gita gives us. Dear friends, today we are so goal driven that we do everything only on thinking about the results. No doubt that we are working only for money, a good house, car, bank balance, and for a secure future. We need to avoid the expectations and results. Only because if expectations are not met, pain is inevitable. Shri Krishna said in Bhagavad Gita that to get relief from such pain, we must keep working and should not expect anything in return. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you for this nice thought. How do I get closer to Lord Krishna? Krishna is pleased by devotion. It is the duty of the devotee to call on the Lord with reverence. Let's we all pray to him with a devotional song. For song dedicated to Shri Krishna, I would like to invite Vani and Veena from class 7th and 8th. Thank you for such a nice song. It is said that Krishna is most popular because he was a Purna Avatar or Sampurna Kala Sampanna. He had 16 kalas of manifestations. That is why he was a full manifestation of God Vishnu. Holding a flute, and his posture indicates his whole philosophy. My dear friends, let us listen more about Shri Krishna. And now I would like to invite Mayank from class 8 to deliver a speech. Thank you for such a wonderful speech. We are celebrating birthday of Shri Krishna. While the Lord wears many ornaments, his constant accessory is a peacock feather in his hair. A yellow-colored pitambari is Lord Krishna's favorite outfit. Students of class 6th, 7th and 8th are dressed like Lord Krishna on the occasion of Janmashtami, let us enjoy our next program in which students are in beautiful costumes like Shri Krishna. It was so lovely, so beautiful performance. Indian dance forms and their connections to the divine goes back centuries, and this upcoming performance aims to explore that very connection. I'm sure that performance will take you to the world of Radha and Krishna. So please welcome Tarun and Kavya from class 8 for the dance performance. Thank you for such a wonderful performance after National Anthem. May Shri Krishna give us strength and inspire us to face all problems in life with great courage. Here we end today's assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day ahead.